Hey guys, there is some new information that has surfaced in the COD community regarding the leak that happened on the Amazon Italy site with the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Remastered. I had made a whole video talking about the legitimacy of this listing and how it's probably not faked. After this leak broke out into the community, there's been a lot of people, asking questions, and they've actually been able to get some responses from, larger corporations about this that are backing this story up. For example, some stuff had gone down on Best Buy's support Twitter site, and they had responded to somebody that was kind of, making it seem like they already knew about the game, that it had been released, to try to trick them to see if they would say anything. They asked, with Modern Warfare 2 Remastered just getting announced, when will pre-orders go on sale? They got a response from one of the reps, and they said, hi there, at this time we are unsure of when the pre-orders for the new Modern Warfare 2 Remaster will begin. I recommend continuing to check our website. A lot of people were commenting saying this is probably just one of those automatic, responses that they give, like they don't really know what they're talking about. And other people said no, they said the word new, before Modern Warfare 2, so they're reading into that this guy knows something and is unknowingly giving it away. Even if this representative doesn't know for sure, there's been a lot of sources that are good sources that are backing up, saying, yeah, Modern Warfare 2 Remastered is coming. After this tweet kind of blew up and got a lot of attention, they actually removed it, so you can't see it anymore. Now, whether that's an admission of guilt or they messed up or they don't want to mislead people, who knows. Some Call of Duty fans caught on to this Best Buy little trick, so they tried it on Target's site and they said, basically the same thing. We know it's been announced, so when is it going to be available for pre-order? The response was definitely different and interesting. They said, we understand the excitement regarding the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Remastered game. At this time, Makarov has withheld this information from us and SOAP is trying to receive it. And then they just say, go check their website for updates. Now, this tweet doesn't give anything away, but I think that people are reading into this that, this representative is aware of this game, is aware of the campaign and the storyline and the characters, and maybe they're trying to give it away with, details about the game and making it more personal. And a lot of people responded to this, reading between the lines, saying, yeah, they definitely know and it could be coming. And interestingly enough, this tweet got removed as well. Although this doesn't prove anything, Target does have a history of accidentally leaking games that haven't been announced yet. There's a game called Spyro the Dragon, and someone again on their Twitter said, when will the new Spyro be ready for pre-order? Even though this individual said nothing about the details of the game, the representative went off on Twitter saying they were excited about it, that it's going to be called the Treasure Trilogy game, and then later went on to respond saying, the only information we have at this time is that we anticipate Spyro Treasure Trilogy, and it will be coming in 2018. And again, this game has not been announced. And of course, there were a lot of responses from people saying that they feel really sorry for this employee right now that just leaked it, because the game is not even announced yet. And even this article was saying, rip the Target employee, your sacrifice will not be forgotten. Just like the previous tweets, these tweets were removed also. So you're seeing kind of a pattern here for, them removing information that they accidentally leaked. So yeah, the Modern Warfare 2 stuff could be real, and they could have been, telling us something they know and they messed up. Along with Amazon Italy, Best Buy, Target, kind of talking about it, there's been some other sources that are backing up the information. They're backing it up, and they're also giving some bad news to potential buyers. There was a rumor that started to surface from a Raven employee that, told somebody that the Modern Warfare 2 Remastered is coming, but it's coming without multiplayer. This rumor has people in disbelief. They're like, there's no way they would release this without a multiplayer, but there are some really good sources that are backing this up, and one of them is Kotaku. Kotaku is a popular website that reports on gaming news, and their news is usually well respected and they're usually correct. Recently, one of their representatives went on a live stream on Twitch and spoke about this topic and said it was true. I'll let you guys listen.
Number 5.
Okay.
Number 5 on the rope report.
Up.
Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Remastered apparently won't have multiplayer. This is via Charlie Intel. Rumors started swirling this past week about a possible Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Remastered that could be incoming in the near future. The first rumors started after a listing appeared on Amazon Italy last week, with support channels for some large retailers following up with possible additional pre-order details. However, Charlie Intel has learned new information about Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Remastered from a source that sent us materials from a Raven Software employee. The information states Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Remastered does not have a multiplayer mode. It is a campaign-only remaster, according to the material Charlie Intel was sent. We believe this information to be accurate. They updated their story too. Eurogamer went and confirmed it with their sources as well.
I can confirm it too.
Oh, okay, good. This information would actually line up with the Amazon Italy listing. This listing stated Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Remastered would cost around $25.
Yeah. This happened while I was here, and I actually got a text from someone being like, "Hey, this is true."
Look at you. You're just living the life.
I'm not a Call of Duty fan, so I don't really care about any of this.
Yeah.
I've actually never played a Call of Duty game. Believe it or not.
What?
Yeah.
Really?
Never played, except
wow.
not counting like a preview event. But
But you've on your own for fun. You've never sat down and popped one in.
Nope,
Interesting.
not once.
All right.
Maybe one day.
After this live stream went out, a lot of fans were upset to hear that, this is a possibility. And Charlie Intel actually did a poll to find out if people would be willing to buy the game without a multiplayer mode. Within just a few hours, there were over 36,000 votes, and 88% of people said no, they're not buying it. So this is a very sad state of events. At first, when it was leaked, there was so much hype around it, and there was a lot of people excited, but it looks like that has done a 180, and people are not happy about this. There was an article posted earlier with some more inside information about it. They said the new details are said to have come from a Raven Software employee who confirms the campaign-only remaster. Despite heading up the Call of Duty Modern Warfare Remastered last year, Raven Studios are reportedly not involved with the sequel's remaster. The article goes on to say that Charlie Intel reported that it is not going to be Raven, it's going to be Beenox Studios that's going to be handling it. They also did help with the campaign parts of the Call of Duty Modern Warfare Remaster, and they also did the Black Ops 3 that was on old gen for Xbox 360 and PS3. So if you guys ever wondered where this masterpiece of old gen Richtofen came from, it was Beenox Studios. But I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.